Dental fillings are employed to treat dental cavities as well as to repair teeth that are affected by injury or decay. There are many different kinds of dental fillings that are available that each have their specific properties and functions. In this clip, we'll explore the many varieties of dental fillings and their functions. 1. Amalgam fillings. Amalgam fillings, also referred to as silver fillings, have been utilized in dentistry for nearly 100 years. They're created from the combination of various metals, which include silver, tin, mercury, and copper. The amalgam fillings last a long time, are longer lasting, and affordable when compared with other fillings. Some patients could be worried about the mercury content of amalgam fillings. 2. Composite fillings. Composite fillings consist of resin in combination with quartz filler or glass. They're tooth-colored and blend effortlessly with natural teeth. They are popular for front teeth as well as the areas that are visible. Fillings made of composite bond directly to the tooth, offering additional support and strength. They also look more attractive than amalgam fillings. 3. Gold fillings. Gold fillings, more commonly referred to as inlays or onlays, comprise a blend of different metals, including gold. They're durable, last a long time, and able to withstand wear and wear. The gold fillings are made to order at a dental laboratory and are bonded onto the tooth. Even though gold fillings are costlier than the other varieties of fillings, but they're suitable for patients with allergies to different types of materials. 4. Ceramic fillings. Ceramic fillings, also referred to as porcelain fillings, are constructed out of a mix of porcelain and various other substances. They're tooth-colored and blend seamlessly into natural teeth. Ceramic fillings are long-lasting, impervious to staining. They mimic the natural appearance of your teeth. They're an excellent option for front teeth or noticeable areas where aesthetics are crucial. 5. Glass ionomer fillings. Glass ionomer fillings can be made out of a mix of both acrylic as well as glass. They release fluoride that assists in stopping decay as well as strengthen your tooth. The glass ionomer fillings are very easy to use and often employed in kids or those with a high rate of decay. Though they're not as long-lasting as others, they're an excellent choice for fillings that are temporary or in areas which are not as stressed. 6. Resin ionomer fillings. Resin ionomer fillings consist out of a mix of glass ionomer resin. They release fluoride, offer extra support to teeth as well as are utilized in places that have less strain. These fillings are often employed in the treatment of children or as fillings for temporaries. Though they're not as durable as others, however, they're an excellent alternative for those with areas that are little use and tear. There are various types of dental fillings that are available that each have their specific properties and functions. The type of filling that is used depends on the position of the tooth as well as the person's oral health concerns, as well as their personal preferences and aesthetics. It is crucial to talk with a dentist in order to decide which type of filling is best that is appropriate for your scenario. In the end, the purpose of dental fillings are to bring back the function of your tooth beauty and strength while encouraging good oral health.